So I'm just gonna skate. Will is like, if I fall, it's fine. I'm like, if I fall, I'll be crippled for like 2 months.
Hey you guys, we're here today with future Olympian Will Cortez. And he's here to destroy this pool behind us.
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
So ready.
I've been ready. We had him up here and he was insane. And we had so much fun filming him that we were like, Will, you need to come back up here and kill some more of our skate parks. So we went to Berkeley Vert and he killed it out there. So we're gonna put a little montage of him killing it right now.
Oh my god.
And now we're here and he's gonna do some more stuff. So I don't even know what to say. I mean, for those people who have not seen the videos and don't know who you are, I guess just introduce yourself.
I'm Will Cortez. I ride for Demon Sea, Transverse Co., Rhythm Skate Shop, Palo Verde Homes. I coach at the CATF. Been coaching there for 2 years almost, and I've been a coach for 7, and I just love skating. I'm ready to lift this place up.
Heck yeah. And the Olympics, what's going on with that, dude?
The Olympics, I'm ready. I got one contest coming up in Peru, and then one more after that, and then everything else is playing by ear. In May we will know if I will go.
The Mexican national team.
Mexican.
That's crazy. That still blows my mind. He's got the hat. Can I grab the hat? Yeah. That's fire.
Blessed.
That's fire. Props, my man. All right, well, I mean, you're the expert here. I'm gonna just let you go ham.
Cool. So I'm just gonna skate.
There you go, Doug.
What's your opinion on vert skating?
When you go that high, it's super scary. Like dropping in's fine, but as soon as you start going over the coping, like I'm good. Like
Gotta warm up.
I know.
Oh my. Wow.
That was wild.
woo! That sailfish was like the most beautiful thing ever.
Yeah, it was.
Bro, he's an Olympic.
Okay, I'm inspired.
Let's go, Carlos. What you got? No, I feel like you're skating this one better than you did at Fremont.
Oh yeah. Fremont, like,
Is this one better?
it's like, I'm not afraid to fall because it's smooth. Which rough, like pads can come off. And
Yeah. This one's nicer, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Woo! I feel like the art of bailing is just as impressive, isn't it?
Yeah, I can't bail. Like, I don't have that option. Will is like, if I fall, it's fine. I'm like, if I fall, I'll be crippled for like 2 months. Like, if you're standing here, like, whoa, like if I fall to the bottom, that'll hurt.
Yeah.
But if you think of it like you're gonna fall like right here, then you wouldn't get hurt because you're just sliding. You know what I mean?
I guess.
Like if you're right here, you're like, oh, I'm gonna fall all the way down there. But if you're right here, you're like, oh, I'm gonna fall right here.
It does look a lot smaller
See
from
what
when you
mean?
put your
Or
head
see
down.
what I mean? When you go like this, it's like, wow, I'm just gonna fall.
Sorry, we're holding up the sesh.
It's okay, I'm taking a break.
Okay.
If I was to come here and practice every week, I just need to know a direction. Like, where do I start for progression?
So literally start by like carving at the highest possible points, and then go into grinds, and then hips for airs, and then after that straight back in, up and down.
Because I know I can get on the other side, not the deep end. I don't
know.
trust
I've seen
myself.
You, like, your lean tail and stuff.
I just can't get in and grind over here. But over there, I feel like, oh, I'll just get on.
So just step by step, like take it to that one, go to a bigger one, and the next one, go to a bigger one. Then you'll feel it. You'll be like, oh, it's the same thing. And just like the drop in with Jeremy, it's like, if you can drop in there, you can drop in here. If you can backsmith there, you can backsmith here.
Just some advice because I want to get better at bowl skating, or just transition in general.
I don't know what happened. I just saw him flying to the ground, and then he's perfectly fine.
Man, if you tried that, you would literally die.
Explode.
If you back tail this in like 3 tries, I'll give you $10.
$10.
I'll Venmo you $10.
Right.
Bro, he's gonna backtail it first try. So you're gonna lose 20 bucks today.
20. Yeah. Why? Did you already lose money?
Yeah, he's about to lose 10 bucks to me when we go bowling later.
No.
Yeah.
I'm hyped. Today, braille skating, it's just so fun. It's like being a little kid again. You know, you get to do exactly what you want to do.
Like, what
you
the
go
heck? I thought Carlos was on there.
make something, makeshift it, we go skate regular parks, we skate with whoever we want. I love it.
He's gonna do this back tail so good.
I know he is, you idiot. All right, you got 2 tries. You got 2 tries. Oh, one more try for 10 bucks. No. Oh.
I'm happy. Hey, I wanted him to do that.
Do you want me to beat you?
No, I'm gonna beat you.
Uh-huh. 10 bucks is yours.
Yeah, Venmo me.
Oh.
I love that.
That was my request. The frontside stale fish disaster. That was sick.
I want to see that sugar cane.
It's crazy how
I
he
gave him a
knows how
tough
to
one right
fall.
there.
He really knows how to fall on this thing. I would have died like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Like,
It's true.
You've seen my spirit just going up, way up.
Wow.
Got it.
I got that.
You got it, man.
Did you get down?
Yeah, I got it.
What is wrong with you?
I ate my Wheaties.
Honestly, you didn't though. You were in your car driving here.
How about backside overcrooks?
Madonna, that's what happens when you get 3 hours of sleep and you're ready for the game.
That's right. One Dan, alone.
Judo. We want to see that.
It's golden hour. You're glowing.
Thank you.
You also kind of look like an Oompa Loompa.
Hey, it's all right. It happens.
Respect.
Happens.
You look like one. I'm shaped like one. Wow.
I don't even know how. I just feel like I'm watching a pro right now.
You are watching a pro right now.
That's
He's
what I mean.
literally an Olympian.
Yeah, but that's what I mean. Like, I can't describe it, but just saying, I'm just watching a pro. You're just like,
Cat!
look, he stopped. He did. They always stop when you call them.
Boy, whip that thing
That
around
was
like
wild.
like a Mazda Miata.
10 years of Vert.
Think I could backflip off this into the pool right now?
Yeah.
That'd be the last thing I ever did.
All right, what should he do, Carlos?
Just frontside sailfish.
Frontside sailfish?
I want to see a kickflip.
A kick
You don't
flip.
have to though, but if you want.
A judo?
Wait, so what are you gonna do?
What is it? Kickflip indie, judo. What was your trick?
I said back up, no, but that's too hard.
Frontside sailfish.
That was like a good backsmith.
Oh no. Okay. Backsmith.
Didn't you do backsmith to fakie last and you were at Fremont?
No. I did frontsmith. No. Maybe. Like fakie, backsmith, fakie.
I don't even remember. It was fire though. I got fired up when I saw that.
Cool. I'm gonna do it.
I don't even process how he gets that much speed.
I don't process how he gets that high on it, dude. That's
what I
insane.
mean. There's backsmith.
Need kickflip, judo.
I think that's it, right? It was just those 4.
Yeah. Kickflip, judo, and then a surprise.
Ooh.
I'm scared just standing here.
Oh!
Yeah.
Benny Houdini.
Houdini is when your board disappears after you grab it. That was big Houdini.
Oh! Oh! Wow. That's a
the
line.
ender of all
That was
enders right there. That's
crazy.
insane. Wow.
End it off right.
That was a surprise trick. Finger flip.
That was sick.
Is that a foul flip or what?
Yeah, I think so.
What's wrong with you?
I'm tired.
I don't mean
Can't
that.
land tricks.
No, dude, that was incredible.
Thank you.
Literally, you have Carlos, you have Mowgli, you have McNugget, some of the most talented skaters, and you're just blowing us away right now.
I'm stoked to get the opportunity, so
It's awesome.
thank you so much for having me.
He has an Instagram. You should definitely check it out. The link will be in the description below. Will is on his way to the Olympics. He's going to the Olympic qualifiers. He's trying to make it into the actual Olympic contests, which are in Tokyo this year in July. In
July, yeah.
In July, right?
I think so, I believe.
Yeah, so we here at Braille, we're rooting for him. He's on the Mexican national team. So you guys leave a comment of your support for Will. Let's help him get there. Let's just blow him up in the comments. Just give him good luck, give him good fortune, and let's hope it works out.
Yes.
Awesome. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you guys learn how to skate. He was just like you guys at some point. If you guys are just now learning how to skate, we were all beginners at one point. You can learn, you can progress, and you can get to wherever you put your mind to.